Speak to the mic, please.
AEG had a very, very active role in Michael's life during the last 6 months. It paid for the home he was renting, and more importantly for this question, it apparently paid for the services of Dr. Conrad Murray, who we're told is under criminal investigation in connection with the decedent's death. So in that regard, there's an obvious link between AEG and concerns that we have about the decedent's demise. So that's one obvious source of tension right now. The possibility of a wrongful death action being filed has been floated. No decision has been made whatsoever. And in that regard, no decision has been made about who the possible defendants in a wrongful death action might be.
But when you... There may be some questions you may have that I cannot answer, but I'm happy to answer a couple questions.
Dr. Murray's name has been floated because he is apparently under criminal investigation. And I think I'll leave it at that.
The hearing today in the Michael Jackson estate was an indication of an increasingly contentious relationship between two sides, which are the executors of the estate named in Michael Jackson's will and his mother, Katherine Jackson. There apparently are disputes between them over specific points of deals that are being made.
Obviously, we think it's the best deal that the co-special administrators could have negotiated for the estate. And we don't believe the objections raised by Katherine Jackson are meritorious. I can't really comment beyond that.
If the deal is not...
There was a big deal with Columbia Sony Pictures for a movie that is going to be released at the end of October, which will be the movie from the rehearsal footage of the This Is It concert. Beyond that, the judge today approved a deal for merchandise, for all sorts of items that will be sold in connection with the movie. Coins, clothing, all kinds of things that people may want to collect. But there is one thing still pending, and that is the plan for a huge memorabilia exhibit. The attorney for AEG said that the exhibit will be on a level comparable to the King Tut exhibit.
Obviously, there would be a fanfare in connection with the movie, and we would similarly have a fanfare in the opening of the exhibition. The exhibition would present to the world memorabilia that belonged to Michael Jackson, and we're very excited to have the opportunity to do that.
This estate has a long life. Michael Jackson is an icon of monumental proportions. I think the global community has and will have a continuing interest in Michael, in memorabilia, and in his music, and I think there are great opportunities for us to make a lot of money for the estate, for Michael's beneficiaries, which today are his mother and his 3 children.